Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to say Happy New Year. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone on here. I know I haven't been on here for a while. I've been a little MIA, and this is my first video for the new year. And so I wanted to come on here to say Happy New Year. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing this year, but I have some ideas, and I hope you guys can continue to support me and just keep looking out for what's to come. You can also let me know in the comment section what you would like to see more of. I don't have a lot of New Year's resolutions, but one main one I can share with you guys is I'm trying to cook more. I'm not a fan of the kitchen, but I do what I can when I do what I do. So let me know what you guys' New Year's resolutions are. You can leave that in the comments. Let me know what you guys are working on, and just let me know what you would like to see more from me. Today's video is something that I'm going to be trying, something new. Hope it comes out great. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to keep watching to see what's coming.
You definitely heard me correctly, wishing you guys a happy new year, even though it's February. I recorded this video in January, but never got the chance to finish it, but here we go. We are using today the Vivatress hyperallergenic braiding hair. It is itch-free, tangle-free, and super soft. I know you guys have seen this new trendy soft knotless braids. I guess they were calling them loose knotless, but I honestly felt like soft knotless would be a better fit. I feel more comfortable saying soft knotless as opposed to loose knotless. I feel like loose knotless is giving it might fall out in 2 days. If you get what I'm trying to say. But let me know what you guys think. If loose knotless, soft knotless, what do you guys think they should be called? I was not the creator of this style. It is trendy right now, and I wanted to try it on my model, so that's what I'll be doing. So she's getting medium large knotless. Normally for me it's 2 rows in the back and 4 rows at the top. The first row she's getting 3 braids, and the second row is normally like anywhere between 4 to 5 braids, depends on how I want it to lay. For this style, the choice of gel is the Vivatress Braiding Gel Ultimate Hold. I just get to my cute little picture on there. I love this gel. It has a firm hold without leaving that harsh white residue, so it's definitely a plus for me, because you know, when doing your braids you got to make sure you're choosing the right products, because the products can make or break your style. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Vivatress braiding hair. It is a new hypoallergenic braiding hair that is quickly taking over the braiding world. It is super soft, it is lightweight, it has a lot in the packaging. I absolutely love the fact that it has a lot in there. So instead of me using say 3 to 4 packs, I could probably use like 2 packs. Very impressive. And it dips really well, it curls really well. If you're somebody that has skin irritation, I think you should give this one a try, because as I said, it's hypoallergenic, it's Okotex certified, it went through all of the tests and everything to ensure that there's no harmful chemicals in there. So let me know if you guys will be trying Vivatress. For this style, I definitely had to be mindful of me braiding loose. I'm so used to braiding tighter when braiding down, so the looseness of the braid was it took some getting used to, I must say. I had to keep undoing the braid and doing it looser, because I'm like, why am I going tighter? I even wanted it to be looser than what I have right now, but I guess on the second try I could do a better job. So I started off braiding like a regular knotless, tied at the roots so it won't slip. But by the time I got to my 3rd or 4th piece, I tried to loosen up a bit, as well as I had to be tucking her natural hair. As you can see, she had a a good cut. So the ends were blunt, and I had to ensure that those were tucked away so they weren't sticking out after she wore the style for a couple of days. As soon as I saw this style, I knew I wanted to try it. It just looked so soft and fluffy and comfortable. I definitely want it for myself. This was our view the day we recorded. These are the days I wish I was in Jamaica. Like, it's time to go home. Now I'm just going in with my pre-parting. Normally I do this just to ensure I have all even sections for my braids and that they're gonna lay where I want them to lay. If you're a beginner, I definitely recommend doing your pre-parting just to ensure you have enough hair for each braid. You don't want to start braiding and as you go along you realize that, oh, I don't have enough hair to braid one of these braids, or one of my sections is medium and the other one is small. So doing your pre-parting is definitely important, just to map out what you're going to be doing to ensure everything is nice and flat and seamless. Okay. Now we are about to do our finishing touches. As you can see, I'm adding some flexi rods to get some curls going on the ends, just to jazz it up a little bit. You can definitely keep it straight if that's your preference, but for today, we are adding some curls. I decided not to dip the hair in hot water because of how loose I would braided the hair. I did not know what would happen if I dip it in the hot water. So I just use a steamer to go over the braids, and then I dip just the very end where the rods are in the hot water to set them. And there you have it. This is the final look. Is it loose knotless or is it soft knotless? It was definitely super, super soft to the touch. And that is because of the Vivatress braiding here, I would say. Even though I braided loose, I just feel like the texture of Vivatress was already soft to begin with, and it enhanced the feeling of this style. I would definitely wear it. Let me know if you guys would try the loose knotless braids or you're sticking to your regular tight knotless braids. I also got the chance to do it smaller on another client, and she reached out to me today to let me know that she is doing only soft knotless going forward. She loved them so much and she decided that's her from now on, soft knotless. That definitely motivated me to want to do it more on myself. I have to try it. It is so cute. Like this day, I couldn't stop touching her hair. I could not stop touching her hair. I'm like, this hair is so soft. I gotta try it. And this style was very cute too. It's giving poetic justice. So beautiful on her. Make sure to shop these products at vivatressusa.com or Amazon or a beauty supply store near you.
It's light too. It's not heavy at all. Hear that? She said it's light too. Yeah. You didn't have to have big braids, you would think they're heavy, but oh my god. Not at all. Oh, yes. I love braids. I'm glad you like it. No, oh my god. Correction. I love it. Yes. Thank you. All right. How does it feel on your head?
Very light. I love it.
You love it.
I do.
You sure?
Soft. I do.
Soft knotless, we're calling them, right?
Yep.